I'm so excited. It's here. It's here. This is going in the Mustang. I don't usually do an unopening. Sponsored by Hopes and Dreams today. That's what the video is sponsored by. It's got a Sony sensor, Nighthawk Vision. Has a gravity sensor. It monitors your car and automatically starts recording if there's an impact. GPS log and automatically indexes your route and your speed. Connect to the dash cams, a little Wi-Fi seamlessly app. But it's got the SD card slot in the side. And for $109, the ROAV by Anchor C2 Pro camera comes with that Nighthawk Vision 1080p. See the cable. You will not see the cable in this installation. It's gonna be clean. Oh, look at that. They gave us their own little baby tool. What else we got here? What else? Some paperwork. All right. Let's see what's up. Let's get this done. All right, just getting everything sorted here. Still trying to learn how to get my camera set up right for stuff like this. I ended up plugging this in underneath the start button on the Mustang. This is the mount for it and how it all goes. It's a suction mount. I put it behind my rear view mirror. Very easy to install. I think the whole thing took me about 16-20 minutes, something like that. Once I got that suction cap going, I used the little tool and just got it hid back there. You want to use tension to pull it as you go. Makes it a little easier. Could have made my life easier if I moved my GoPro mount, but it kind of lives there. Getting it past the A pillar here, I had to give a little bit of tension and pull there around the vent, and then nice little shove into there. But it's seated in nicely, zip tied underneath the dash, and was set to go. This dash cam looks great at night. Just look at this moon. The detail is pretty good. This is straight off the SD card. This dash cam comes with its own application for Android and WebOS. Here's a view of the daytime. It's great too. The camera comes on just when you start the car. No mess, no fuss. Being able to know what's going on with your car with the gravity sensor. Being able to get license plates if you need to. If somebody does something silly to your car on the road. Maybe something falls off of a vehicle. In Florida, definitely you could never tell if something's tied down correctly. So this is a very good thing to have for your car if you've got money in your car or you just want to protect yourself. It's also a cool thing to have for, you know, vlogging what you're doing in your vehicle. Here's a nighttime view of the gravity or motion sensor. It just started recording when somebody was near the car. Very cool feature. Now, this is pulled from the app. It's not easily to get. It's just this is what the app looks like. So I give this thing, you know, a 7 out of 10. I think the camera itself is great. The install is easy. On sale, it's worth it. If you could get this view easily without having to do some tricks with the phone, it would be a lot easier. I wanted to show like what it looked like so that you knew what you were buying. But the normal view still looks great. I just love that this has the speedometer already built into it. However, you make your decision on the one that you want. This is the one that I went with, and I hope that you enjoy what you've seen today on the channel. Please like and subscribe. Every like and share helps this channel grow, and the more it grows, the better content I can bring you. I hope you have a great day. I'm continuing to bring you the horsepower, but today I wanted to bring you something a little different. Have a great day, YouTube.